Welcome, classic car enthusiasts. Today, we explore how ultra-scalable global architectures revolutionized automotive design and restoration. Long before modern cloud networks, automotive visionaries crafted modular chassis and universal drivetrains capable of spanning continents and decades. In the mid-20th century, manufacturers realized that scaling production required unified underlying frameworks. By using shared floor plans and suspension geometry, classic automakers cut tooling costs by up to 40% while producing dozens of distinct regional vehicle models. Nothing demonstrates scalable architectural design better than universal engine blocks. Small block V8s and standardized inline-six engines were deployed across millions of vehicles, from family wagons to international racing icons, across a 50-year production run. Restoring classic vehicles globally requires robust logistics. Today, specialized global distribution networks stock over 500,000 unique OEM parts, using centralized warehouse hubs across North America, Europe, and Asia to keep rare classics on the road. Scalability relies heavily on component interchangeability. Classic car architecture allowed brake calipers, steering columns, and differential units to be swapped across 12 distinct vehicle lines, drastically simplifying maintenance and collector preservation today. Global master builders use standardized CAD blueprints and 3D laser scanners to replicate classic body panels within a 0.5 millimeter tolerance. This enables microfactories globally to build identical chassis panels with flawless fitment. By building digital twins of iconic classic architectures, heritage departments can simulate structural stress and aerodynamic performance. This allows preservation teams to reinforce frame longevity without sacrificing historical accuracy. When original tooling vanishes, scalable global architectures rely on low-volume additive manufacturing. Over 1,200 obsolete metal and rubber components are now produced on demand worldwide, ensuring timeless designs never go extinct. Ultra-scalable platforms accommodate modern electric conversions and independent rear suspensions. Enthusiasts can upgrade vintage cruisers with 400-plus horsepower crates while retaining original factory chassis pickup points. From modular 1950s assembly lines to global digital restoration networks, scalable architectures preserve our automotive heritage. Understanding these principles helps collectors maintain, restore, and enjoy classic cars for generations to come.